Why do 80% of skincare lovers swear by blackhead remover kits? Stick around to find out. Let's talk about blackhead remover kits and why you need one, like yesterday. First off, these kits are super effective at getting rid of blackheads and keeping your pores clean. No more expensive salon visits. Most kits come with a variety of tools to tackle different skin issues. That means you get a complete skincare solution in one package. And the best part? You can use them right in the comfort of your own home. Using a blackhead remover kit regularly can improve your skin texture, reduce acne, and give you that smooth, radiant look we all crave. Pause. Upbeat. Plus, it's oddly satisfying to see those blackheads pop out. Ready to up your skincare game? Check out the top 3 blackhead remover kits on Amazon. Click the link in the description and say hello to clearer skin. Thanks for watching, and happy blackhead busting.